Hello everyone, and welcome to Easy English Lab channel is an active journey. I'm Elena.
And I'm Pavel. Wonderful to be walking this path with you all today.
It's always a pleasure, Pavel. Though you seem a bit stiff. Is everything okay?
You're observant, Elena. Yes, I'm rather sore. I pushed myself too hard at the fitness center yesterday.
Ah, the fitness center, a place of both triumph and tribulation.
Exactly. I was enthusiastic, used the rowing machine, did squats, attempted some free weights.
Commendable initiative. But today, the aftermath.
Precisely. My body is vocal about its displeasure. It reminds me of that English expression,
Which one?
no pain, no gain.
A perfect, if painful, adage, and remarkably fitting for our discussion.
What are we focusing on today?
Overcoming challenges, the parallel between physical training and linguistic training.
Linguistic training? You mean learning English?
Exactly. The process shares a core philosophy with your gym endeavors. But first, a quick request to our dedicated listeners.
If our podcast strengthens your language skills, please support us. Subscribe to Language Steps, give this episode a like, and share it with fellow learners.
Your support fuels our content. Thank you. Now, Pavel, your gym session was difficult.
Immensely. I was breathless, fatigued, questioning my life choices mid-squat.
Yet you persisted. The motivation?
Long-term health, improved stamina, the gain of a resilient body.
There it is, the pain of effort for a valuable gain. Now transpose that to acquiring English. Is it always effortless?
Frankly, no. Some days conversation is a joy. Other days mastering phrasal verbs or the present perfect tense feels like a mental marathon.
A brilliant comparison. Your mind is also a muscle group. Grammar drills are its weightlifting.
So when my head spins from conditional sentences, that's the burn?
Precisely. Positive strain. Cognitive growth. No pain, no gain. Avoiding difficulty leads to plateau.
Just as only lifting light weights won't build strength. And in English, staying with simple phrases won't build fluency.
You must attempt complex constructions. Embrace the productive struggle. What's daunting at the gym?
Perhaps feeling inexperienced, using equipment incorrectly.
And in language learning?
Speaking, without doubt. The fear of error, of confusion.
That social discomfort is the ego's workout. The principle remains. To gain confidence, you must move through the fear.
So the nervousness before ordering in English is like my first set of squats?
It's the mental sweat. Let's structure this. First tip, routine.
Routine, doing things regularly. I can't get fit with one visit.
Nor can you master a language with sporadic study. Short daily sessions are superior to rare lengthy ones.
20 minutes daily of reading, listening, or vocabulary, a sustainable brain workout.
Second tip, train your weaknesses.
Don't skip leg day. In language terms,
If writing intimidates you, write. If listening is tough, listen more. Don't just re-watch comfortable videos.
tackle the challenging material. It builds real skill.
Third tip, recovery.
My favorite, rest is part of training.
Essential. Neural connections solidify during downtime. Sleep, relaxation, they're part of the learning cycle.
Balance, don't study to the point of burnout.
Exactly. Finally, a caution. Avoid comparison.
It's easy to feel small next to a fluent speaker or a gym athlete.
But everyone started somewhere. Compare yourself only to your past self. Celebrate learning 5 new words.
Focus on personal progress. Small gains accumulate.
So, will you return to the fitness center?
Once I can walk normally, yes, with a better plan.
And your English studies?
I'll face the tricky grammar. The gain, fluent conversations, new opportunities, is worth it.
The reward is profound. Connection, understanding, expression. Now, a question for our amazing listeners.
Please tell us, what's your current pain point in English? What feels most challenging?
And what's your gain? What goal makes the effort worthwhile? Share in the comments.
We read them all and cheer you on. Remember, subscribe to Language Steps for more.
Thank you for listening. Keep striving, keep growing. Every step counts.
Until next time, no pain, no gain. Goodbye, everyone.
Farewell.